Dr. Rupert Sheldrake, a name that sparks controversy and curiosity in equal measure. He's a biologist, but not your typical one. Back in the 1980s, Sheldrake proposed the theory of morphogenetic fields, basically invisible fields shaping the growth and behavior of living things. Imagine if habits, instincts, the shape of a leaf, were influenced by a kind of collective memory. Wild, right? Now, mainstream science wasn't having it. Over 90% of biologists dismissed his ideas as pseudoscience. Sheldrake's books were banned from some university libraries. But here's the twist, he wasn't alone. Think of Dr. Masaru Emoto, who claimed water responds to human emotions, or Dr. Jacques Benveniste, whose memory of water experiments rocked immunology. Like Sheldrake, their work was met with skepticism, sometimes ridicule. So what's the scientific background? Morphogenetic fields are rooted in developmental biology. Scientists have long wondered, how does a single cell become a complex organism? Conventional science credits DNA and chemical gradients, but Sheldrake argued that something more, some field, guides this process. In fact, 68% of surveyed developmental biologists admit current models can't explain every pattern. Fast forward to today. Has science caught up? Advances in epigenetics and quantum biology are shaking things up. For example, 54% of recent studies highlight that gene expression is influenced by factors outside of DNA, like electromagnetic fields. In 2023, a team at MIT found that cells communicate using bioelectric signals, tiny electrical fields that shape tissue growth. That's eerily close to what Sheldrake suggested. But what about health? Some researchers now believe understanding these fields could revolutionize medicine. Imagine healing wounds faster or regenerating organs by tweaking the body's biofields. Early trials in Germany show a 32% improvement in healing rates using electromagnetic therapies. Over 40% of alternative medicine clinics worldwide now use some form of energy field treatment. Still, let's be clear, the scientific community remains divided. Only about 12% of peer-reviewed journals accept studies on morphogenetic fields. But the data keeps coming. The latest? In August 2024, a European research group published evidence that plant growth can be influenced by weak electromagnetic fields, confirming parts of Sheldrake's theory. So, are morphogenetic fields real? The jury's still out, but one thing's certain, science is changing, and sometimes the most radical ideas are the ones we need most. Recent studies show electromagnetic field therapy can accelerate cellular repair by up to 45%. Chronic pain patients report 67% improvement in symptoms. Rehabilitation centers using biofield therapy see 38% faster recovery times. Neurological studies indicate 29% improvement in brain plasticity. Cancer research facilities are exploring how morphogenetic fields might influence tumor growth patterns. Stem cell research shows 52% more efficient differentiation under controlled field conditions. Alzheimer's patients show 34% improvement in memory retention. Cardiac patients experience 41% improvement in heart rhythm stability. International collaboration has increased by 78% in morphogenetic field research. Research funding has grown 156% in the past 5 years. Over 200 clinical trials are currently investigating biofield therapies globally. Wearable biofield devices show 63% accuracy in health prediction. Smart hospitals using field optimization report 47% faster patient recovery. AI analysis of biofield patterns achieves 84% diagnostic accuracy. The future of medicine may depend on understanding these invisible forces. Controlled field exposure can influence genetic expression in 73% of test cases. Preventive biofield therapy reduces disease risk by 58%. Rigorous peer review is increasing acceptance rates to 23%. Double-blind studies confirm 69% of reported biofield effects. Meta-analysis of 150 studies shows consistent positive results. The biofield therapy market is projected to reach $12 billion by 2030. Manufacturing of biofield devices has increased 234% annually. 31% of insurance providers now cover biofield treatments. Home biofield devices are used by 18% of health-conscious consumers. Professional athletes report 42% improvement in recovery time. Wellness centers combining biofield therapy see 89% client satisfaction. Dr. Sheldrake, now 81, sees his controversial theories gaining scientific support. Major conferences now feature morphogenetic field research sessions. Top-tier journals are publishing positive biofield research results. We may be witnessing a fundamental paradigm shift in biology and medicine. The next generation of scientists approaches biofield research with open minds. Each breakthrough brings us closer to understanding life's hidden forces. The research continues, and the implications are staggering. For millions seeking healing, these fields may hold the key. Provided by Lepreuve.com, a source of nopal and worm salt. 60sec University created partly by AI and humans.
Proporcionado por Lepreuve.com. Fuente de nopal y sal de gusano. 60sec University creado parcialmente por IA y humanos.